beautiful boy. Hello. What have you been doing today? Yeah. Well, you're a good boy while I went to the doctor. Yeah. Are you a good boy while I went to the doctors? Oh, thank you. All right. That's my cheeky boy. Yeah, I love you. Yeah? You've been hanging out? You talking to the birdies outside? Oh. I love you. Is that my cheeky boy? Yeah. I love my cheeky boy. Yeah. Say hello. And what you doing, crazy? Use your words. Use your words. Alright. So what you doing? Hey. That's my cheeky boy. Yeah. That's my cheeky boy. Yes. Hello, beautiful boy. You had to talk to Mum? Yeah? What you been doing? Did you get creepy because I left you? Hey? Yeah, you yelling at me. I'm home now. Yeah, we're gonna hang out. Hang out, my baby. Here's your words. Oh, my cheeky boy. You get so cranky when I leave you, don't you? Yeah? So if I have to go to the doctors, or I have to go get tests, or if I have to go anywhere, and I leave Buddy, when I come back, he gets really cranky, and it usually takes him about half an hour before he starts to want to hang out and have to talk to me. Doesn't it, Buddy? Yeah. What you doing? You gonna hang out? Come on then. Hey. Hello, my beautiful. Hello. What are you doing? Is that my beautiful boy? Hello, beautiful boy. Mwah. Yeah, how's my baby? What you doing? Did you miss me? Oh, thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Big kisses. Thank you. Aww. You missed me. Mwah. Oh, my cheeky boy. He's a cheeky boy. Yeah, aren't you? Mwah. Cheeky. Come on then. What are we going to do? Hey, can I hang out with Mum? Yeah. Come on then. Are you ripping my hair out? Oh, is that my payback for leaving you? Is it? Rip Mum's hair out. I love you. My cheeky boy. Look what you've done to my hair. Hey. Yeah, you're crazy. Crazy. That's my boy. Yeah, that's my boy. That my buddy boy? Yeah, he's my baby. We're so happy, aren't we? The internet come back on. Yay! And Buddy can watch his show. What do you reckon, Buddy? Yay! Well, Buddy's so happy that the internet's on because it's been off for the last 24 hours. And he can finally get to watch himself on the computer. He loves it. It's all about the Buddy show. Cheeky boy. Is that you? Is that Buddy? Hello, Buddy. Is that you? Hello. You got a feather on your nose. You got a feather on your nose. Is that you? Cheeky boy. Yeah, you're cheeky. Yeah, you're a cheeky boy. Whee! You're being naughty on Mum's phone, aren't ya?